Video, I will be telling you guys how to use the Gemini AI on the Android device. For that, the process is very simple, easy to the point. Just go to the Play Store and make sure that you have Google Gemini application installed in your phone. If you don't, just go ahead and download the application. I will be providing the link in the description below that will redirect you to the Google Gemini link. So once you're on that, just simply install it and open it up. So once it's been installed, what you have to do is to open it up and make sure that you give all the access that is required in order to use the application. So once you have given the application all the the authorizations, all you have to do is to give a prompt to search button how many kilos are in. It's very simple. I will find it pretty helpful.